Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Xiaomi. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down, choose password and security, then tap on face unlock and enter your current location method. After that, read all of those instructions and tap on next. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow those instructions above. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of your keyboard. Then select Done and go back. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!